Hi everyone, happy Saturday. I am today just going to prepare my water for watering my plants tomorrow and just kind of vacuum, get this bottom floor cleaned up. Then I'm going to move upstairs, do some cleaning up there, and then we'll be in the craft room. All right, so I have a 5-gallon Primo water bottle, and then I purchased this rechargeable Primo electronic, I guess, water dispenser to go on the top. And I just take this out. And I'm going to pour out the old water. I want to wipe this bucket down on the outside. And then I'm going to fill it with just regular tap water. And then I put in 10 drops for every gallon, so that's 50 drops of this Imaginarium water conditioner for plants and shrimp. Can't hurt. It's not hurt. My plants are fine with it. Sitting there all winter gathering dust, and we need to just get it nice and clean and get it ready to start being used. I water my plants every 2 weeks year round, a little bit less in the winter, maybe 2.5 to 3 weeks in the winter if they get real droopy. I know it's time. Nobody told you to cut off. And it's getting near the end of February, beginning of March. Spring is around the corner. So I just want to start getting all of my planty goodies together and ready to go for the season, and just make sure that all the dirt and dust off of it. Goodness, that's annoying. That dry, and now I just take this all the way out and put it on cold. Okay, hold on. Gotta get the kinks out. There we go. And we just stand here. And we wait, and I'll be back. Now for the fun part. Okay. Okay, we're going to top that off with some water. Got done. Let me get the cat some fresh food. All right, so before I put that back in place, I want to come through here and give it a good vacuuming and mopping and all of that. So, it's also supposed to get up to like 70 something today. We're going to open the doors, open the windows. We are going to allow fresh air to come through. It's going to be wonderful because tomorrow it's going to snow. Yay. So, I'm helping. No, guys, right here. On the rug, purple rug, gray rug, whatever that color is. Oh, thank you. You're so strong. Okay, so now I gotta add my 50 drops. Okay, so as you saw, I like to start from the top and work my way down. So I went through and I dusted all of the blinds. When you have plants, you will have more dust and dirt. And when you're watering and that dirt splatters, it gets all over the blinds, all over the windowsills. So that's just something that I have to keep up with during this season more often than I do in the winter. So I started there, and then I opened up some windows and then just went in on the floors. This contraption that I'm using is a Bissell Pet Pro. It is a vacuum and mop in one. It has a place where it keeps the dirty water separate. Oh, Lord, I think I was dancing. It keeps the dirty water separate from the cleaner. And I've got to get a new one this spring when they go on sale. You know, they like to put things like that on sale for Mother's Day. Because moms like to receive vacuum cleaners for Mother's Day. That is so fantastic. Hey, I got a screened-in front door for Mother's Day. Couldn't be happier. Could not be happier. Was an awesome gift. One that I wanted. You know, once you have kids, it's like, me. Yeah, you see that crazy woman cleaning and singing and dancing. That's my cleaning lady. She is me, and I like to clean to music. That means, well, we're just going to have a little bit of singing and a dancing. This is why we do voiceovers, because we do not want to have to put our friends through any of that nonsense. Then we moved on to the dining room, and finally we moved down the hall. And by the end of this video, we'll get the kitchen and the front room den and foyer done, and I woke up at 8 o'clock, stayed in the bed till 12, scrolling on my phone. Ridiculous. I need to just delete all those apps because I spend way too much time just mindlessly scrolling. So yeah, I didn't start my cleaning until 12:30, 1 o'clock. I came down, had some coffee and a bowl of Count Chocula, maybe two, and just caught 10-15 minutes of the news because there's some things happening and I just wanted to see what in the world's going on, kind of catch up, do all of that, and yeah. Then I just went in for cleaning. All right, so that's all for the voiceover. I'm going to let you ride out with some music, but I just wanted to say I appreciate you for being here. I hope that this video has motivated you to get up and just vacuum one space, right? You don't have to take hours and do your whole bottom downstairs or upstairs. Just, take a few minutes and tackle a space. All right, guys, I'll see you soon in the next one. Alright guys, that's it for today's cleaning motivation. I hope that it motivated you to get up and at least vacuum one area of your home. You don't have to do the whole downstairs. But it was a nice day. I wanted to open the windows and really get all this cat hair up before we get whatever weather is coming our way. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up or hype it. And I'll see you in the next one for some plant chores.